Hello, this is Matt. Welcome to Fundlet. In this video, I'm going to walk you through creating your first campaign with the app. But before we get started, a quick call out. If you run into any issues at all, just reach out to me at matt@matthewsmith.com and I'll help you get started. Um, so let's get started creating our first campaign. So to do that, I've already downloaded the app and I'm on the landing page here. And so what I'm going to do is I'm going to hit campaigns and I'm going to hit add campaign. You have a lot of options when creating a Fundlet campaign, but you can kind of categorize them into some key pieces. The um, overall name and display of your campaign, the campaign payout, the dates the campaign is active, um, the products and or collections that can show up in your campaign, and any participants that will participate in your campaign. For this video, I'm going to create a very basic campaign. So I'm going to set the title to test campaign. I'm going to set the referral code to test and just add a quick description. All right, I'm going to set a goal. And so this, I'm going to do $15,000. You can move it up and down with these arrows here, or you can just type it in there. And I'm going to keep the payout type as percent of total sales. I'm going to skip all these pieces. And what I want to do is I want to set a begin date. So I'm going to set it to yesterday, just to make sure it's available now. And then I'm going to set it to end on the 14th. And let's see, I am going to add a collection. And this is the collection the products that will display in your landing page. So I'm going to hit that and hit add. And I think I'm going to keep everything else the same. So all we have to do now is click save, and our campaign's created. So in the next video, I'm going to show you how to set up your landing page. But that's it for now. Thank you.